In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change panel title in Grafana. First, open your browser and head to Grafana. If you use a hosted or self-managed instance, sign into your workspace so you can make changes. You'll need at least editor permissions to update titles, so if you only see viewer options, ask an admin to grant you edit access. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is your main navigation. Click Dashboards to open the Dashboards area where all your boards live. From here, find and open the dashboard you want to work with. I'll open the one called Alert Groups Insights so we can change a panel title inside it. At the top of the dashboard, switch it into edit mode by clicking Make Editable. This unlocks the UI so you can modify panels and settings. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead. This doesn't publish anything yet. If you're adding a new panel, click Add, then choose Visualization. This opens the panel editor. If you're updating an existing panel instead, click that panel and select Edit to reach the same editor view. Either way, you'll land on the panel editor screen where you can configure data and appearance. On the right-hand side of the panel editor, you'll see the panel options. Near the top, Grafana shows the panel title field. This is the text that appears above the visualization on the dashboard. Click into that title field to highlight the current name, replace it with the new panel name you want. Aim for a clear, concise label that describes exactly what the panel shows. For example, alerts by severity, 7 days, or average response time. Consistent naming helps teammates scan dashboards quickly. If you need to include units or time ranges, keep them short to avoid wrapping. As you type, the preview updates so you can confirm the title looks right with your visualization. If you're adding a panel from scratch, you can set your data query and visualization type now, but the title change itself doesn't depend on data being present. When you're happy with the new title, save your work at the dashboard level. Click Save Dashboard in the upper right. If Grafana asks for a note, add something like Updated Panel Title for clarity, so there's a helpful history. After saving, return to the dashboard view and confirm the updated title appears as expected. That's it. You navigated to the dashboard, made it editable, opened the panel editor, updated the title, and saved the dashboard. Thanks for watching, and happy dashboarding.